Today we will be testing a scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 382 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 279 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,044 indicators, with 435 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a scalping strategy. And so the source video says the ultimate support resistance signals indicator. And so, since this is a single indicator, I guess we'll go ahead and put this one under the indicator testing instead of the strategy testing side. But the setup on this is pretty simple. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the indicator. So the indicator is going to be the trend levels indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We'll keep this on its default settings. And so, what it does is it basically, tries to develop a sort of support and resistance zone, and it gives you that zone with the purple line at the bottom and the green line at the top. And you can see here that when it starts to establish that support and resistance zone, kind of gives you a few labels and creates that support and resistance kind of channel. And so what we are looking for a long trade, so we are looking for when we get a green up tag like this right here. It's kind of hard to see, it's kind of stuck in the price action there, but we get a green label like this right here. That means we're looking for a long trade. And then what we're looking for is price to pull back and touch this lower band right here, or the lower line. And then we are looking for the first green candle after a touch. So you can see here, it comes down and touches right here on this red candle and gives us a green candle right here. And so that would be our signal to then enter into a long. And so what we're going to do is set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this line right here, the purple line, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a couple candles, make a really nice scalp trade, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for a purple tag from the indicator like this here. That's going to indicate that we're looking for a short trade. We're then looking for price to pull back and touch the green band at the top side, like so. And then we're looking for the first red candle like this one right here to be displayed. And once those line up like so, that'll be your signal to enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right above the green band there at the top. It's kind of formed with this wick right there. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, right? Let's go ahead and go with that. Play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, within just a couple candles, make a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 30% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,000 for an overall loss of $5,000. And so, not a great strategy, at least outlined in this way, the way the source video showed that it should be used. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 35 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $10,200. So definitely better results. If you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, you would have increased the win rate quite significantly on the Academy of Forex indicator up into the high 90%, which means that the total gain would have been closer to the $21,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we closed the 28th winning trade in a row yesterday. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That keeps us at the 100% win rate, and in the back testing we did over 200 trades in a row without a losing trade, and so easily achieve that 28 trade mark. Growth on the account is over 30% now, I think closer to 35% gain on the account, and that's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I just mentioned. And so if you want to see the back testing on over 200 trades without a losing trade, then take a look at the video I just recommended. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.